everyone, welcome to the part 2 of my Bangkok vlog. On our second day, we went to Erawan Museum, which was 40 minutes away from our hotel. Entrance fee is at 400 baht. It is much cheaper to purchase your tickets from Klook. You'll have to redeem your vouchers behind this cafe. After that, they will give you this pink slip. Erawan Museum is well known for its giant three-headed elephant sculpture. It is recognized as the first and the biggest hand-carved sculpture in the world. This place serves as a tourist attraction and a shrine, which is why we need to observe the proper dress code of this museum. This building is divided into 3 floors according to the Hindu representation of the universe. First floor being the underworld, second is earth, and third is heaven. Filming on the first floor wasn't allowed, so here we are at the second floor. You'll find art pieces, antiques, Thai ceramics, and stained glass. This roof showcases the world map blended with galaxies and zodiac signs. This floor has 4 pillars depicting all different religions, and this particular one represents Christianity. The top floor represents the cosmos, or the heaven. In here, you'll find different Buddha statues from different eras. Surrounding the museum is a tropical flower garden with pond. Our next stop is at Ancient City. It was only 20 minutes away from Erawan Museum. Our taxi cost us 127 baht. Entrance fee for foreigners is at 700 baht, which again our ticket was purchased from Klook. We rented a golf cart for 1 hour for 350 baht. This place is considered to be the world's largest outdoor museum. A 320-hectare land that features 118 structures of famous monuments and architectural attractions. It is best to allot half-day for this itinerary. This structure was built to symbolize the 500 monks who came from different backgrounds and culture, who were enlightened and reached nirvana. These longboats that you can see here are called barges. These are replicas of the original ones that were used for royal processions over 700 years ago. It was also used for boat races, transporting royal guests, and even in battles. The restoration of these boats were initiated for the purpose of cultural heritage preservation. We found coconuts. This was a good refreshment to beat the extreme heat here in Thailand. Mungkorn Seafood can be a good option for those who are looking for a seafood buffet out there. We paid 499 baht per head, and as you can see, there's already a wide selection of food here. I actually tried something new here. This is a horseshoe crab roll. It looked like a fossil or cockroach, but surprisingly it was delicious. December's studio is located just beside Platinum Mall. I heard that this was a nice place to shop. Well, actually it was. All the clothings here were super trendy, fashionable, and of good quality material. It may look expensive here, but the price here is cheap. I recommend you check this place out if you're looking for a place to shop. This cute shop. This store was packed with clothes, accessories, handicrafts, stationaries, and etc. A lot of people were in that store, so I really didn't have the time to shop around. Another store that I checked out was Gentlewoman. Basically, they sell fashion items, but I think they were most famous for their tote bags. This local gem in Chinatown. This is called Nai Egg Noodle Shop. It is a Michelin restaurant famous for its rolled noodle soup. We ordered their braised pork trotter, rolled noodle soup, and their deep fried crispy pork. For our last day, we booked a boat tour around Chao Phraya River. Meeting point will be at Riva Arun Pier. Not to worry because the tour agent will let you know the directions to this pier. We booked our private tour at Unseen Boat and wrote BKK on Facebook. We paid 2,300 baht for 3 persons, and this boat tour will take about 2 to 3 hours in total. I can say that during the entire trip, both of our drivers were very friendly and accommodating. Fish feeding is included in the boat tour package, and fish food will be provided by the boat tour company. Chan Floating Market is only open during the weekends. This was more accessible than the famous Dam Nguyen and Amphawa floating markets. This is convenient if you don't have much time to spend in Bangkok. This giant Buddha is said to be 69 meters tall, which is almost the height of a 20-story building. It was cast from copper and painted gold that sits in a lotus posture of meditation. I wanted to share this luggage store that I found. This was located 8 kilometers away from Chatuchak Market. I figured this might help for some travelers. They have a lot of styles and sizes that you can choose from. It's also sturdy and made of good quality. Last stop is at Chatuchak Market. This market is considered to be one of the largest markets in the world, with over 15,000 stalls selling clothes, food and drinks, antiques, plants, furnitures, and even pets. This market was so big to the point where we got lost, so it is better to allocate a lot of time if Chatuchak's in your itinerary.